Welcome to the IMCO Technologies Canada YouTube channel. We will be using this channel to share information with our valued customers. This video will cover the removal and replacement of the Power Twist belt used on the newer Comfort Pro APU with the 6 kilowatt generator by using the PG1040 belt installation tool. By the end of this video, you will know how to remove and replace the Power Twist belt and remove a link from the belt to increase the belt tension. The first step is to determine if the belt needs servicing. This is a combination of a visual inspection of the belt as well as checking the output of the generator. Begin by checking the output voltage from the generator. With the APU running, check the voltage with all loads turned off. The voltage can be checked at the generator breaker, at the CCU board, or at the hotel power outlet in the sleeper area. Of course, wherever you check for voltage, caution must be used as we are dealing with the high voltage side of the system. If the voltage is dropping close to 100 volts AC or less, this indicates that the belt is slipping and needs to be serviced. The second thing that we must do is to visually inspect the belt for any signs of damage or unusual wear. If there are any signs of damage to the belt must be replaced. If the belt is in good condition but needs to be tightened, we can go ahead and service the belt. To service the belt, the upper and lower enclosures must be removed from the APU. Anytime any service is being done to the APU, you must disconnect the 4-pin connector from the APU control module to prevent the APU from starting due to any programmed functions. The first thing we must do is to unplug the 4-pin connector from the APU control module to ensure that the APU cannot start. Now we're going to remove one of the bolts holding the engine pulley to the flywheel. We're going to install the PG1024 belt installation tool using the longer bolt supplied with the kit. Lightly tighten the bolt, and the tool is installed and ready to go. Now we're going to turn the engine and generator, and we're going to use a screwdriver to lightly pry over to remove the belt from the pulley and up onto the installation tool. If the belt is extremely loose, you may not need a screwdriver to lift it over. Turn the pulley back and go ahead, and here's our belt. To remove a link, we start by turning the belt inside out. Flex the belt and pull it tight, and grab one of the tabs and just give it a turn. Now turn the other tab and remove and separate the belt. Take a link out by simply turning and removing. To put the belt back together, insert the tab into the two links together, give it a little tug. Now twist the other tab, insert it through the slot, and you may need a tool to pull it right through and give it a turn back in place. Do not use any sharp tools to do this. Turn the belt back to the right side in, and we're all set to go. Notice the arrow on the belt. This is the direction that the belt must be turning when properly installed. Loop the belt over the lower generator pulley, up over the tool, and turn it by hand until you get it up and started onto the pulley. We will now continue to turn the engine by using a wrench on the front crankshaft pulley. At the same time, use a ratchet and socket on the generator bolt to prevent the engine from springing back when you reposition the wrench. Keep turning the engine slowly until the belt is completely in the pulley. With the belt properly installed, we can now remove the belt installation tool by removing the bolt and replacing it with the bolt removed to install the tool. Apply red Loctite to the bolt and torque the bolt to 18 foot-pounds. A final check to verify that the belt is running in the correct direction and the installation is complete. Reinstall the APU enclosure and reconnect the 4-pin connector at the APU control module. Thank you for watching the belt installation video on the IMCO Technologies Canada YouTube channel. Be sure to visit the IMCO Technologies Canada YouTube channel for additional training videos. For further details, also be sure to visit the IMCO Technologies website at www.imcotechnologies.com.